you think this is just another product promising miraculous changes overnight, this video isn't for you. But if you're still here, it's because you're looking for a real transformation. It's time to stop chasing empty promises and finally find a real solution to your problem. Have you tried everything and never seen results? I understand. The market is full of absurd promises and magic solutions. It's easy to fall for them, especially when the pain we feel is too great to ignore. But here, you won't find any tricks or illusions, just a proven and safe path to the change you so desperately want. Now, you might be thinking, here comes another person on the internet trying to sell me something that doesn't work. And you know what? Yes, I want to sell you something. Something that I've tested myself, that has been proven to deliver results, and that is a real opportunity for transformation. After a lot of research and scientific studies, we've found a formula that will finally solve your problems in a simple and effective way. Imagine a life without chronic stress and anxiety that consume you, sleepless nights and difficulty relaxing, inflammations and low immunity that always get you down, lack of energy and constant fatigue, hormonal imbalances, PMS, menopause, all under control, digestive discomfort, abdominal bloating, and accumulated toxins. Those problems you thought were impossible to solve. Yes, it's possible to leave them all behind. How? With a combination of natural and powerful ingredients, and many others that work together in a harmonious and proven way. These recipes are easy, quick, with accessible or substitutable ingredients. No complications, no suffering, no synthetic products that bring dangerous side effects to your health. It's a natural and safe way to transform your life. And all this for just $27, less than 0.07 a day. Now stop and think, how much is it worth to you to feel the freedom of being well with yourself? Be more active, in the mood for your family, your children, and what you love? How much is it worth to be in control of your hormones, your sleep, your PMS, and even your libido? The time is now. Click on Learn More and dive into the transformation you desire. If you've come this far, it's because you're already committed to change. So let's go. Click on the button and find out what awaits you.